Please check the product information on the side of the box to confirm that the products are correct, including model and color. And record the bike's serial number for warranty. Use a knife to cut the strap and the tape over the box. Open the box. Cut the cardboard along the edges with a knife. Use a 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench to unscrew the bolts on the top of the iron frame. Make sure to keep the top frame on top of the side support rods to prevent the top frame from falling and scratching the body. Remove the remaining bolts. After all the top bolts are removed, carefully remove the top iron frame. Use flat nose pliers to cut the stainless steel cable wires. Use a 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench to unscrew the screws on the 4 side frame columns and remove the frame columns. Use scissors to cut off the plastic packaging of the bike body. Carefully remove the front wheel and place it to the side. Remove the remaining packaging. Open the trunk storage bag. Locate the accessory box, seat, pedals, front fender and front basket. Cut the zip tie with scissors and get the key. Open the accessory box. These are all the accessories you received. Use 5mm hex wrench to remove the screws from the front steering axle. Temporarily place the handlebars on the front steering axle. Do not fully tighten the screws. Use a 14mm socket and a 12mm wrench to unscrew the front axle nut. Rotate the front suspension 180 degrees. Prepare a 19mm wrench, a 10mm wrench, and cutting pliers for installing the front wheel. Remove the screws and washers from the front axle. Remove the screws and washers from the other side. When installing, keep the power cable facing upwards, while a friend helps hold the bike. Place the washer into the groove. Adjust the position of the front axle. Then use a 19mm wrench to tighten the screws. Do the same on the other side. Remove the bottom iron frame. Ensure the front forks are facing forward. Adjust the position of the front handlebars. Tighten the screws on the front steering axle. Locate the front wheel brake bracket. Place the thicker side of the bracket facing upwards. Then insert the screws. With a flathead screwdriver, widen the gap between the brake pads. Gently push the brake caliper onto the rotor. Use 5 mm hex screw to tighten the front wheel brake. Connect the power cord. Ensure the arrows on the wires are aligned. Use a zip tie to secure the power cord. Use scissors to cut off the excess zip ties. Locate the front fender. Temporarily place the front fender on the tire. Remove the screws from the front fender. Install the front headlight. Adjust the position of the front headlight bracket. Thread the screw through the headlight bracket and front fender, then secure it onto the front fork. Twist a few times by hand. Use a 5 mm hex wrench to remove the front fender bracket screws. Thread the screw through the front fender bracket and tighten the screw. Do the same on the other side. Then use a tool to fully tighten the screw. Adjust the position of the headlight. Tighten the screw. Locate the dust cover. Install the dust cover onto the rear axle. Locate the seat. Place the seat into the seat sleeve. Close the quick release clamp. Locate the front basket. Use 5 mm hex wrench to loosen 4 screws. Locate the 4 mounting holes for the front basket. Tighten the screws with a 5 mm hex wrench. Connect the front dashboard wiring. Ensure the arrows on the wires are aligned. Identify the left and right pedals. Gently thread in the right pedal clockwise. Fully tighten the pedal with a 15 mm wrench. Gently thread in the left pedal anti-clockwise. Fully tighten the pedal with a 15 mm wrench. Grab the key. Power up the battery and check if the dashboard and headlights are working properly.